So it's 31st December 2019. I say bye to my friends at Khao Sok National Park and I'm heading alone towards Pha Ngan. This is my friend Anastasia, and we go on a small hike to a waterfall. Meet Alice and Adam. Adam runs a culinary school on this beautiful island. So I got myself a bike on rent. It was pink in color. It takes approximately 2 hours to circle the entire island. Looking back in retrospect, we never knew that 2020 would be a complete lockdown and an embargo on travel. Things are going to open up and magical journeys will continue. After this, I head towards Bangkok and then catching a flight back to India.